Did you know you can customize a license plate in under 10 minutes? Let's see how with the XTool F1 laser engraver. For this project, all you will need is your license plate and your XTool F1 laser engraver. The settings we're using today should work for most metal license plates. Now, if you haven't noticed by now, metal is my preferred material to engrave. Do you have a favorite material? Share in the comments below and maybe I'll use it in my next video. Come on, don't be shy. License plates are a breeze to customize and can be sold as unique gifts, souvenirs, or promotional items. The profit margin you make from selling engraved license plates will quickly pay for your laser engraver. Trust me, it's like finding money on the sidewalk. The key is to target clients who need personalized plates in bulk. Car clubs, car dealerships, schools, event organizers, local businesses, and gift shops. Remember, if you're looking for deals or places to source quality blanks for your XTool lasers, check the links in the description below. Now let's get started. First, log into XCS and add your file. Size your design to your liking and prepare for engraving. We'll use the standard baseplate settings and the full width of the F1's baseplate for this design. If your design needs to cover the entire width of the license plate, you will need the slide extension for that extra versatility and surface area. It's like adding an extension to your house. It gives you a lot more room to play. Center your plate on the base plate, use the knob on the F1 to line up your red and blue dots, then click the framing button to ensure your design is spaced and centered to your liking. Once you have everything prepped and ready, input the following settings. The Jarvis bitmap setting, dot duration of 300, 100% power, and a DPI of 400. You'll complete this project using just 2 passes. Your first pass will use the blue light setting, then your second pass will use the infrared setting. Once you have all settings entered and the design framed, click Process, then click Start, then press the Start button on the F1. And bam! We're off to the races! And there you have it. In less than 10 minutes, you just made an amazing license plate that will add some serious swag to your vehicle. For this plate, I decided to add some extra sauce with a couple of vinyl stickers that honor organ donor awareness since my wife was a recent recipient. If you like this video and want to see more projects, smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what the next project should be. And remember, keep engraving smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.